used to be gritting his teeth since the day I was born. To the shape or a form, I describe it as more of a color, a feeling, a storm that won't leave me alone, like it's living inside of my bones. I feel it everywhere, slowly it tunnels its way through the walls. Only a matter of time. They got their goals and I've got mine, but I'm stuck in this prison of flesh and bone. Paralyzed, all I've got left is the sun. It's a thing moving in the corner of my eye. Walls retention and keeps me alive. Crucified, crucified, and I can see the light. The eclipse is here, I'm so near. They're the light, but they won't pull me down. Don't worry, alone. It's so cold out here, yet nothing can equal these wars. Gather a thousand voices and sing me a better world. Paralyzed, all I've got left is the sun. It's so far, buried in the corner of my eye. Run through the dark passion, run away the moonlight by your side. Paralyzed, all I've got left is the sun. The eclipse is shouting, but there is no answer. The silence is deafening. The silence is deafening. Keeps me paralyzed.